I am Udhana Praveen, who coined the term News Foundation to solve the problem of UPSC current affairs. Today we will discuss Economy January 2026 topics. Turkey will send a drilling vessel to Somalia to carry out country's first deep water exploration project abroad. What happened in 2024 that Turkey signed an energy exploration deal with Somalia to seek diversified energy sources and reduce reliance on imports, investing in exploration at home and overseas. Okay. Economic survey, which is tabled in Parliament on 29th January 2026. There is an important statement regarding agricultural domain where it's noted that average annual growth rate in the agricultural and allied sector over the last 5 years has been around 4.4 at constant prices. Very important statement they will give you in prelims option regarding agricultural sector. India's central bank digital currency, digital rupee, right? So India's central bank digital currency. So what is the main feature is that it can be stored in user's digital wallet, can be used to receive and send money, make payment for transactions. Next, Small Industries Development Bank of India. Recently, Union Cabinet approved an equity infusion of 5,000 crore into Small Industries Development Bank of India so that to expand credit available to micro, small and medium enterprises. Here infusion will be made in 3 tranches. Very important statement, right? And another thing is that the digital and digitally enabled collateral free credit products are being developed by Small Industries Development Bank of India to boost credit flow. Okay, so this infusion is to boost credit flow, right? Risk adjusted return on capital is a kind of risk based profitability measurement framework for analyzing risk adjusted financial performance. Okay, and providing a consistent view of profitability across businesses. Here SEBI proposes 20,000 crore as threshold for significant index. Right? Now what is significant index? Under the regulations were defined as the now indices administered by an index provider, okay, which are tracked or benchmarked by domestic mutual fund schemes, okay, with a cumulative asset under the management exceeding the limit as may be specified from time to time. So recently they introduced this limit of 20,000 crore as a threshold for significant index. Okay, basically what you understood what is significant indexes. Okay, now the proposed regulation does not apply to indices regulated by RBI. Next, China's economy in news. China's economy expanded at 5% annual pace in 2025, right? Now, reason for that is that strong exports. You have to know the reason. They will give the question with reference to China's economy. The growth of 5% or China's economy expanded. Reasons for this expansion may be different exports or some other other agreements. You have to know that strong exports is the main reason. Next, China's population fell for a 4th consecutive year in 2025 as a birth rate plunged to a record low. This is another major important we have important point you need to note down. NITI Aayog Export Preparedness Index. Here, Kerala, right, has improved its ranking to 11 among all states in NITI Aayog's Export Preparedness Index ranking 2024. Now, what is the reason, right? The profile spans sectors like petroleum products, spice, marine products, information technology, petroleum, CRORE, which accounts 48%, right? Now, the reason for more growth is that Kerala has a strong West Asian linkages supported by its large diaspora. Okay, you have to know these reasons. They will give an assessing reasoning kind of questions in prelims. India apple imports. Now here, India imports significant quantities of fresh apples, primarily from countries like Turkey, Iran, Italy, South Africa, and Afghanistan. Right? You have to remember these names of countries from where India imports apple. Either they will ask these countries' names, or they will say that India don't import apples. One statement in prelims. But based on this basic news foundation, you will understand that India imports apples. Okay.